Okay, I got this air compressor from my neighbor. It doesn't work, but he thinks that it might be this relay or maybe this condenser. So I'm gonna start it, see what happens. Okay, nothing happens. But you can see maybe the lights flickering. First of all, I'm gonna make sure it's not locked up, no? So it runs really smooth, so probably something else is wrong then. So my theory is that this capacitor is gone, and it's quite big actually. But I'm gonna see if I can measure it, and if it works, and I put a short circuit between these poles here, we should have some kind of like a short circuit there. Okay, let's see what happens here. Nothing happens. Okay, so that means this one it's not charged, this one. And from what I understand it is that you need one of these if you run a three-phase motor. So this is probably three-phase on only like a one-phase input. Like this is just neutral and phase and ground. Oops. We've got 3 mega ohms, and this should, this should increase when this multimeter is charging the capacitor, but I don't think it does. So it's probably gone, and the symptom also indicates that it's faulty. So I'm gonna see if I can find a new one, and hopefully it works. This bulge here is probably a bad sign also. I got this from Amazon.se for about 140 Swedish kroners, which is about $15, something like that. And it's got the same specification. It's a bit, you see, it's not really the same shape, but it's just gonna sit up here, so it doesn't matter. So let's see what happens. Wires are a bit short. Or maybe not. Maybe we should fix the electrical connection first. I don't have any memory, so I took a photo of this, how it was connected. Oops. I have to find another screw for this side, but okay, I'm gonna try it right now. Huh. Okay, maybe we have some electronic gizmo guy knows if it matters if I put it down here or if it's up here. I don't know, maybe if it's water it could come in there, but I'm not gonna use this outside, so. Jesus Christ. Okay, so this works now. So when they built this building, they must have known I was going to put this compressor here, because it's fits perfectly in here. Or as a famous and wise man once said, like a glove. This is how it turned out. I put some tools for the compressed air here, and yeah, it fits very good in there. I'm working on another project right now, trying to get this Bashan to work. Well, not good, but as it's supposed to work.